this is Crystal from PXID company. Today we're going to introduce now some e-bike design, which is S6. We are so proud of this design. It has 15 patents and just won 2 big awards last year, which are the Creative Award of China Cycle and the Golden Pin Design Award. It has many colors available. Today we got orange and green here. And let's see its features together. Okay, let's look at the fashionable appearance. The elegant design of the frame is inspired by a running cheetah. It has both streamline and strong muscles. The frame material is magnesium alloy, which is 1/3 lighter than the aluminum alloy. The whole bike only weighs 18 kg and can support 120 kg. The frame adopts die casting technology, which breaks through the traditional welding process and ensures that the whole bike has no weld. And let's see the adjustable seat. No matter how high you are, it's suitable for different people. And let's look down the pedal. It's also foldable. We just put it in and press it down like this. And for legal regulation, it both has the headlight and the trail reflection light. Remember in the beginning I talked about this e-bike is foldable, and let's have a try. And using the key to release the battery. And push it back. Okay. Okay, that's all amazing features for this model. And if you have any question, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.